Today marks another exciting milestone, as Machinery here ships out 10 concrete mixer trucks to our valued customer overseas. Each of these powerful machines has been carefully inspected and prepared to ensure top performance and reliability. From the engine to the mixing drum, every detail is built for efficiency and durability on the job site. Our team worked tirelessly to check and secure all units for safe transport. It has not just a shipment, it has a promise of quality, strength, and commitment to customer satisfaction. As these mixers drive out of our yard, they are heading towards new opportunities and construction success. Thank you to our partners for their trust and support. We look forward to seeing these trucks in action very soon.